During the 1913 coal strike, union organizing of the coal mines. Mary Harris' mother, Jones, 83-year-old white-haired Spitfire, deported twice from Trinidad for rabble-rousing, returned, and defying orders from General John Chase, commander of the Colorado militia. Whoa! These sidewalk bricks, they all say Trinidad. Guess they had a Trinidad. And look at the street bricks too. These benches and see the adobe building here. See the straw in it. Man, it's hot out here. These were the barns and housing for employees of the wealthy folks that lived right there where the wither walk is. This is wild sunflowers. You see them all over the roads in this area. just grow wild. Here you go. Here's a coal cart. Here's some buckboards, old wagons. Look at the trim work on that. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. And various cacti. I'm not sure what this is. Look at them little critters jumping. Grasshoppers, maybe? I got a bunch of bells. I suppose they were train bells. The train bells usually were made out of brass. They had a brighter tone to them. Alright, look at this garden. Alright, this is the Bloom Mansion. These were some of the upper class wealthy folks that dominated the government in town. Alright, you got a nice little garden going here. This is Los Animas County, and the courthouse is just up the road there. Look at that spruce tree. This squash is looking a bit wilted here. Everybody's a little bit wilted in this heat, huh? Give them a little shot of water. Even the fountain is silent. Now what in the world is that? I don't know. Look at this tree right here. It looks like some kind of locust tree. Look how the seed pods are curled. Lots of interesting Victorian architecture here. Look at the shutters. This is a French maison. Look at, they got brick, and they got the probably limestone blocks on the corners. Huge windows, long shutters. Look at this place next door. That's the bar. That's where I'm parked at. That's a bar now. Pretty cool old building, huh? Man, look at the porch. Look at the woodwork trim on this porch. Man, that is something. That is something. Look, I got the, this is some kind of spruce tree. That's an 1883 building that's now a funeral home. Look at the vine growing on that. The railing, the iron railing in the very top. Man, what elaborate woodwork. I see I'm parked right over there. Boy, look at all this. The bees are going crazy over this lavender. Look at the porch in the front. Oh man, you talk about trim. Look at that tower. That's getting fancy. I think I found this perfect spaceship for my little alien friend. What's this? Art. Alright, look at this. That's what to do with old tires. You paint them and sell them to tourists. Ford. Mannequin. Oh, I got a dog barking at me. He doesn't like me. Alright, look at these gals here. Oh, a button mobile. This is a wire mobile. I'm just taking pictures. Give me a break. Artocade. Well, I don't know why the dog doesn't like me. Maybe it's my camera. I don't know. Pretty cool, huh? Look at this flower Flower pots everywhere. All right, here we go. Space junk atomic punk. All right. Mad scientist artist. I don't know what this is. Hey, I've got one of the shoe boxes like that. Look at that, how you did that. Mannequin, Robo-Botkin, whatever. One of those little service stations converted to a Scissors Edge haircutting salon. That's a neat old building. Now, this is downtown Trinidad. I think it's converted to a artsy-fartsy tourist attraction. All the shopping, of course, is in the suburbs. All right. Goodies here. I don't need no stinking hood. Purgatory River Trading Company. Yeah, don't you think so? It's not speaking. What is this right here? Some artwork. It's hot. Look at this little, I guess it's a juniper tree that's pruned. You don't see too many of that shape unless it's a regular cedar tree. All right, there's the Baca house, I think. There's the Bloom house, and here's the post office. Look at it's stiff-gum hot here in Trinidad. It's time for me to leave. Look, there's that peak. Forget the name of it already. Perfectly framed there on that street.